Alright, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the Axon Bodycam OBS overlay. We're going to go to the link, it's in the description. Once you get there, go down here and download manually. Once you have that downloaded, go to your downloads, extract that folder. That's the old one. Extract the folder. Delete the zip folder. Now we got this. Now we're going to go to OBS. We're going to open up that file. And in that file, you're going to have this index. You're going to click on that. Go and copy the link that it gives you. Go to your OBS. Add a browser source. You're going to paste that browser source and then change the width to 1920 by 1080. Then we're going to go hit OK. Now you should see a nice little body cam overlay. And that's all there is to it.